prif bencampwriaeth y ceffylau yn y sioe eleni. Mae'r actor poblogaidd ac enwog Martin Clunes. Welcome to Llanelwedd.
Thank you.
Your first visit?
I know, yeah. Nobody seems to believe that I haven't been here before. Everyone I say I'm going to the Royal Wales. Oh, it's not your first time though, is it? And they go, yeah, it is. Does everybody in Wales come?
Well, thousands of us do.
Yeah,
annually.
200,000 a day.
Yes, over a period of 4 days. Yeah, that's right. What's your first impressions then?
Amazing. I love any show, but this is a whopper, isn't it? But it's just seeing the people's pride in their animals, you know, and I like to see the animals too. But when you've got, you know, they've got the best pig on the lot, they bring that and brush it up and show it off, let children worry it.
Fans of Doc Martin and Men Behaving Badly, for those of us who can remember Men Behaving Badly, might be surprised that you're kind of involved with horses, but you are, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. We've got lots of horses at home. And, yeah, I have heavy horses, so I'm really thrilled that there's for the first time a heavy horse village here, which is great. It's such a great sign because slowly usually at a show you go and the heavies are tucked away behind the old tractors somewhere and there's about 4 of them and nobody goes. But they're just, people love to see them. Yeah. I get it. I get an emotional kind of kick when I see a beautiful heavy horse. And so they're sort of coming out, and more shows are having them. The Devon show had a festival of the heavy horse this year. So it's thrilling to see.
So were you brought up with horses then?
No, I'm a son of an actor. I lived on Wimbledon Common. I mean, the Rangers would go past and people pleasure riding, but no, I sort of got forced into it by my wife and daughter, but I'm very happy that I'm there now. Yeah.
So it was their passion that kind of led you to...
Yeah, I was sort of part of the support team for a while, and then I did a job in New Zealand where I had to ride a horse in the film, and the girls came out with me, and before we started filming I had a Meet the Horse Day. So I went out on mine, and then we all went out together, and suddenly the penny dropped that it was something we could all do together. And so, yeah, we phoned up someone actually who had a horse they wanted me to buy.
So don't they have stunt artists to do that anymore? Or?
They can't afford them.
But you have been filming here recently, out there. The
Yeah. We had a lovely time there. Yeah. It's
Any
terrific.
horses involved in?
There was a beautiful Section D cob she was called Crystal, who was so sweet. She'd never done any filming before, and it's quite annoying for a horse to head collar on, head collar off, to the repetition of doing things, but she was so kindly about it that at the end of the day, all the crew wanted a horse.
Well, you're now the president of the Horse Society, the
British Horse Society. Yeah.
So what does that involve, and I mean, what kind of role is that?
It's ambassadorial. I've been doing it for, I don't know, about 13, 14 years. I won't go, I'm like Mugabe. And I come to things like this. We've got some awards because we have an army of volunteers who basically keep the charity going. So we say thank you to them. I go and visit yards, inspirational yards, sort of hubs in their community, all sorts of things. It's a great gig.
So today, how does an actor prepare for judging such a prestigious award?
It is a prestigious award, isn't it? It is. It's a massive responsibility, but it's also a massive honour. But also, it's a massive relief because the serious judging has been done by the serious judges. So I'm just seeing the best in every class. So I can go, if one looks at me nicely, it might win, or there's a swishy tail or something, or nice ears.
But you're looking forward to it?
I'm really looking forward to it, yeah.
And will you have a chance to see anything else today?
I've been out, I have had a look at the big pigs and the goats. My wife's gone to look at the hens.
Excellent.
I'll try and sneak, I've got quite a busy day, I think, but I want to see as much as possible.
Well, thanks for chatting to us this morning.
My pleasure.
A Welsh word for Ceffyl? For Ceffyl is, I can't even speak.
What did you call me?
I didn't call you anything. I'm trying to learn you a Welsh word for horse.
Yes.
Ceffyl.
Ceffyl.
Ceffyl. C-E-F-F-Y-L. Ceffyl. Ceffyl. Yeah.
Oh, that's good
and you will be judging Ceffyl Gorau'r best y Sioe. The show's best.
Ceffyl Gorau'r.
Gorau. Y Sioe.
Y Sioe.
Yeah.
Ceffyl Gorau'r Sioe.
Ardderchog. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr.
Da iawn, diolch.
I identify as Welsh, that's what counts.
Yeah, that's fine.